What's up guys? In today's video, I'm gonna tell you exactly how to use Bluechew. I'll show you how to take it for best results and how to also avoid some common mistakes that people run into when using Bluechew. Before we hop into it, what is Bluechew? Bluechew is a little blue chewable tablet, and it's just a brand name of basically a tablet that contains sildenafil, tadalafil, or vardenafil. If those names sound kind of crazy to you guys, sildenafil is literally just Viagra, tadalafil is Cialis, and vardenafil is Levitra. These are all performing enhancing substances that were created in different time frames. Sildenafil Viagra is the oldest one, which was created about 25 years ago. If you guys don't know the background to it, basically it was discovered by accident, but they're just blood flow medications. So they help you increase your blood flow down there to make it where you're harder, you're actually bigger, so it's like longer and girthier down there, and they just increase your performance in the bedroom. Now, Bluechew is designed for men who want to increase their sexual performance, or for men who struggle with things like ED, PE. So if you guys don't know that, it's like erectile dysfunction, performance, anxiety, even if you just finish too quick. So if you're one of those guys who, you know, you might be a one-hitter quitter, whatever, maybe you're just a two-pump chump, nothing to be ashamed of, guys. I've been there myself for a long time, especially when you're younger. I think it's hard to actually last when you're in it, but Bluechew actually helps you last longer as well too. That's one of the first reasons why I actually took it myself, being 25 years old. But yeah, it is prescribed online, super easy to order it through their website, and it's also shipped discreetly. So it's not shipped in this package. It's funny, whenever I got my order, I actually had no clue what it was. I saw that it said that it was from like Florida, I think Deerfield Beach, Florida, but it was just shipped in like a brown envelope, had my name on it, but like no branding on it. It didn't say anything like from Bluechew, so it's shipped super discreetly as well. So you're wondering, how do you use Bluechew? Well, first off, you're gonna wanna decide what version of Bluechew is best for you. If you guys haven't already seen it, I have a full video breaking down exactly what Bluechew is and reviewing it in depth, but I'll give you a quick crash course. Don't mind me, I have my notes right here, but I told you guys that there are the three forms. You can get sildenafil, tadalafil, or vardenafil. If you guys get the sildenafil, it's gonna be active in your system for 4 to 6 hours. If you guys get the tadalafil, it'll be active in your system for 36 hours, so like literally over a day. And if you get the vardenafil version, which is the form that I'm actually prescribed, let's see if you guys can see it, but yeah, right there you can see I'm prescribed the vardenafil version. That lasts 4 to 6 hours as well. Now, personally, I feel like the vardenafil version has the least side effects. I like it also because you can take it with or without food in your stomach. So for some of the other forms of Bluechew, you can't have it if you just ate. And then I also like it too because you can take vardenafil if you've been drinking. With the sildenafil, especially like the Viagra form, you don't want to take it if you're drinking alcohol that night. I also like the vardenafil version. I take the 8 milligram version, but I like it because I feel like it works the quickest. Literally, if I take it within 30 minutes, I'll be feeling the effects. The other forms of Bluechew can take up to an hour, if not an hour and a half even. So I'm actually gonna show you guys how to use it. I'm not gonna take it on camera, of course, because I don't think I can, but yeah, so when you guys open up this package, there's gonna be a bunch of these in there. So these are just like the little packets that contain the Bluechews, and they literally just say Bluechew mint on there. Let's see, yeah, nothing crazy, but yeah. And then on the back, it'll let you guys know exactly how much is in your dose. So you see right there, it says vardenafil 8 milligrams. So super easy, guys. Literally, you're just gonna wanna tear the top part. Let's see if it shows you this. You wanna tear the top. Literally, you just pull it out, and this is a Bluechew, guys. Yeah, it's literally just a mint, a little blue mint tablet. It's a chewable tablet, so it's really easy. They actually say that from it being chewable, it actually works faster than a pill. So this is dope because if you don't like pills, or somebody who doesn't like pills like me, for example, I don't want to have to worry about swallowing it, whatever. This is cool because you just chew it and then boom. Super simple, super effective, and it works really fast. Now, guys, this is really important. You guys want to avoid some common mistakes that other people run into when they use Bluechew. Three main ones especially. First mistake that I see people run into when they're taking Bluechew is that they take too much. You guys do not want to become addicted to this. Now, it's not like a physical dependence on it, but you can become kind of mentally addicted to it. You don't want your brain to make the connection of, okay, every time that I have sex, I have to take a Bluechew. Because what happens if you don't have a Bluechew around and you still have to do the deed? Well, then you're gonna be feeling silly if you can't get it up because you have too much performance anxiety, because you basically based all your confidence around using this performance enhancing substance. Does that make sense? The second common mistake is expecting instant results. Now, I told you guys before, but timing really is everything. I know it can be kind of tough sometimes, but you guys are smart. You ideally kind of know when you're about to do the deed. Now, again, you want to take it about 30 to 60 minutes before, you're about to lay it down. So just be cognizant of this, guys. Like if you're on a date or something and you're going back to your crib or you're going back to her crib, just kind of plan to at least try to take it at least an hour in advance before, because that gives it the adequate amount of time for it to go into your system and for it to work. And the third mistake that you want to avoid is not being in the mood. Now, Bluechew is dope because for me, I feel like it helps raise libido as well, but Bluechew by itself doesn't actually just make it go up by itself. You have to actually be aroused as well too. So don't expect that you're gonna be out with I'm not gonna say that, but you gotta actually be attracted to the girl that you're with, And from you being like just even the slightest bit aroused, the slightest bit attracted to her, then it's gonna seem like boop, it instantly goes up and you're not even gonna have to worry about it. That's why I like Bluechew, because sometimes, especially, if you're using a condom, not trying to be too X-rated, but you could like use a condom, and since you can't really feel it, maybe you might go limp in the process, and you're kind of always having to like focus down in that area and be like, okay, like I gotta, make sure that I stay hard or whatever, keep it going. But with Bluechew, it's like you don't even have to think about it, because just from the moment that you get a rise, it's gonna instantly be hard down there, and basically you just get to enjoy yourself and really be in the moment. You don't have to worry about going limp, or you don't have to worry about finishing too quickly, because you're gonna be hard for a while. So you can just really enjoy the moment. Quick story time, but I remember I actually took a Bluechew one time when I was with a girl, and guys, not even joking, literally I was on the Bluechew and we went for probably about, I want to say 30, 40 minutes, and no joke, guys, I finished, I busted, not to be too X-rated, but afterwards, I literally stayed hard. That's how crazy it was, and I was able to go back and do a round two like immediately after. You should have seen the look on the girl's face. She was looking at me like, yo, what type of animal are you? Like, what did I get myself into? So that's really what it's for, Again, guys, you don't want to use it every time that you have sex. I would say save it for like special occasions, or if it's your first time with a girl, because, if it's your first time with a woman and you don't lay it down properly, or even worse, you can't even get it up, just know that she's going to be roasting you in her group chat and you're probably not going to hear from her again. So that's the ultimate pain. I've been through it in the past. I wouldn't want you guys to go through it. So to avoid that, that is the beauty of the little Bluechew. That's how you use Bluechew for best results, guys. Follow these tips and you guys are going to be good to go. Comment down below, have you guys used Bluechew in the past, or are you thinking about using it? I know these topics can be kind of taboo for men. It's almost like, I guess, touchy subjects to talk about, but as men, I feel like we need to normalize conversations like this. So if you guys liked today's video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, and turn on post notifications, because I do post videos like this every single day. And if you resonated with this video and you want to get a full video breakdown of Bluechew in depth, check out the review over here. I love you guys, and I'll speak with you very soon. I'll see you tomorrow.